So there you go. There's your speaker. iHome. So then when you get this guy out, you're gonna get money. So yeah. So I pause the videos because when you take out the screws, it's gonna be annoying and repetitive. It's gonna take a long time, gonna fail the video. So there are your control boards right there. This needs a lot, so it could wake you up. Control boards are electricity, you know. So screw, that's gonna go in your screw pile. Always separate your screws from the plastic. The plastic, always. And even though this isn't plastic, that's foam. Still, throw this away. Garbage. Can't get the speaker out of there, so I'm pretty sure. Oh, there's a fun magnet in there. You can save. And the rest of this, I'll just throw away. Throw away the plastic. I might. So you know what? I'll just try. So yeah, I'm gonna get that control board out there. This thing is creepy. Sometimes it will wake me up in the morning. I didn't even want an alarm set. There you go. Wish I had a wire cutter. There's some stuff right there, like battery looking things right there. Gotta try ripping it out. So, and there's the battery compartment. Trust me, you aren't gonna die. Just take it out. There. Screw pile. So, always remember this. The screws, you could actually put them in like a metal bucket so it could be worth something, or maybe ceramic, even though it's not worth anything. Alright, I'm gonna get that battery compartment out there. What? Interesting. I saw the trailer. So, guess I know. So, try to. Can't get it out. So, it is actually the most fun thing I've ever scrapped. I scrapped a bubble maker and just that. This is fun. Scrapping an alarm clock. No, I don't think anybody ever scrapped before. So yeah. I'm gonna do a recap. So this was what's making the difference. And remember, this makes a difference. And it's acting weird right there. So always throw that out. So I'm gonna try. I really need a wire cutter really bad to separate this and try to get the magnet out there. So I wouldn't use a hammer, that would be too dangerous. But there's no stuff that's pink. So you gotta so you're gonna still be alive and you won't get cancer. Oh, it's sticking. So I'm pretty sure you could save the speaker because it's like a fun magnet. So yeah, I'm gonna show you rest I've been taken apart. And here, that's the cover. Some parts I've been throwing out. A lot of screws, so I'm gonna put those in like a bowl, yeah, and take those to a scrap yard and weigh them on the scale and get money. This is a lot of screws, so I could really use a wire cutter to separate all this.
You really could use a wire cutter.
Alright, I'm getting the wire cutter, so while we wait for that, I'll do the things you're interested in. Electronics. Yeah. Fun buttons. You need to cut the wires and throw that out. See, that's plastic. You make that noise. I mean, you can tell it's plastic. So that's plastic. Flat. Alright, thanks for the wire cutter. Be careful around the wire cutter. Alright, so I'm gonna cut this rainbow wire out. So you gotta always separate your stuff. Can't get that out, so I'm gonna try doing this. So I'm gonna do that. Try this. Try not to do this at home unless you're at like a scrapyard.
Push the wire down further.
Okay, so push.
Like put it further down this way.
So you gotta put it down. Thanks, Mom. You make a good scrapper.
Thank you.
So I'm gonna do this of the wire cutter. So I just want to say thanks for watching this quality video of how to take apart an alarm clock. Out. This has been a TanFan production. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel.